Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: the best Motorola Moto Razr smartphone of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product link down below in the description box. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tech updates. Now, let's get started. First impressions matter, and Motorola has nailed it with the design of the Moto Razr 5G. The moment you unfold this device, you're greeted by a stunning 6.7-inch FlexView display. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement. The premium glass and metal build make it feel incredibly sleek and sturdy. Now, let's talk about the showstopper, the foldable display. The Razr 5G brings innovation to your fingertips. The FlexView display is not just about being foldable, it's about enhancing your user experience. Whether you're multitasking or enjoying your favorite content, the Razr 5G's display adapts seamlessly. The Moto Razr 5G is a true performance beast. Powered by a new Snapdragon 8 Plus flagship processor, it delivers smooth and lag-free performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on multiple apps simultaneously, this phone handles it all with ease. The rear camera is equipped with a 50-megapixel optical image stabilization flagship image, and the creative space is launched. The front camera is equipped with a 32-megapixel wide-angle multi-person selfie, and many people gather together for easy selfies. 13-megapixel wide-angle lens, 50 million pixels optical image stabilization flagship image. The Moto Razr 5G comes with a reliable battery that keeps up with your active lifestyle. And when it's time to recharge, the Turbo Power charging ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. 19 5G frequency bands plus 27 4G frequency bands, multi-country roaming, linking the world. Dual screen, smart interaction, all sizes can be wonderful. Two good screens, both inside and outside. 6.7-inch high brush color inner screen. 2.7-inch high-efficiency touchscreen. Supports up to 144 Hz screen refresh rate, enabling a new smooth folding screen experience. Weather, travel, express, calendar, commute advice, AI, health, contacts, camera, dial 9 independent panels. The external screen can be customized and the app can be used for quick perception and convenient operation. 50 million pixels optical image stabilization, oversized bottom image front, and rear dual high-definition uncompromising flagship main imaging system. In conclusion, the Motorola Moto Razr 5G is more than just a smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future. With its innovative design, powerful performance, stunning camera capabilities, and lightning-fast 5G connectivity, it's a device that redefines what a smartphone can be. If you're ready to take the plunge into the future, the Moto Razr 5G is the perfect companion. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks.